Welcome to OphirPh, Pearl of the Orient City Guide to Food and Drinks. Pancit Molo or Filipino pork dumpling soup is a type of soup using wonton wrappers which originated from Molo district in Iloilo City. It consists of a mixture of ground pork wrapped in Molo or wonton wrapper, shredded chicken meat, and also shrimps. The piping hot soup is often ladled into serving bowls, and garnished with green onions and fried garlic bits for another layer of flavor. This dish resembles the Chinese wonton soup, but the wide variety of ingredients and flavor makes this dish noteworthy. I've always wondered why it goes with a pancit, noodles, label when there are no noodles in the soup. Then, I read somewhere, I don't anymore remember where, that because the dumpling, wonton, wrappers are made with basic noodle ingredients, i.e., flour, salt and water, the presence of the wrappers in the soup somehow qualifies it as a noodle soup. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. Visit our site at www.ophirph.com for more food review. Molo soup or Pancit Molo is a soup dish composed of a mixture of ground pork wrapped in wonton wrapper, shredded chicken meat, and shrimps. This dish resembles the Chinese wonton soup, but the array of ingredients and flavor makes this dish stand out. After doing some research, I found out that this dish originated from a famous town in Iloilo, Philippines called Molo. When the town's name became Molo, I am not sure. But it was already known as Molo by the time that someone sold the first bowl of Pancit Molo or Molo soup. Clearly, it was a local version of the Chinese wonton soup. Considering how Molo used to be known as Chinatown, we can safely deduce that the Chinese wonton soup is indeed the ancestor of the Pancit Molo or Molo soup. Here are Molo soup ingredients: 2 lbs ground pork, 2 lbs chicken, 1½ cups water chestnut minced, 6 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 cup shrimp sliced, chopped, or minced, ½ cup annatto seeds soaked in 3/4 cup water, 1 cup minced onions. 3/4 cup goes to the filling while 1/4 is for sautéing, 2 packs wonton wrapper about 100 counts, ½ cup minced green onions, 4 cloves garlic minced, about 2 tablespoons, ½ tablespoon ground black pepper, 1 piece raw egg, 1/4 cup toasted garlic to garnish. Please see Era's Caldo post on how to toast garlic, 4 tablespoons cooking oil, 12 cups water. 8 cups to boil chicken, 4 cups to be added to the soup. I like my Molo soup topped with some minced green onions and lots of toasted garlic. I even put a teaspoon of fresh lemon or calamansi juice. Here are instructions on how to cook Molo soup. First step: pour water in a casserole and bring to a boil. Second step: put in the chicken and boil for 40 to 60 minutes or until tender. Third step: while waiting for the chicken to be tender, combine the ground pork, water chestnut, green onions, egg, salt, and ground black pepper in a large mixing bowl. Then mix well until ingredients are well distributed. Fourth step: get a piece of wonton wrapper and place in a clean flat surface. Fifth step: scoop a tablespoon of the ground pork mixture and place on the middle of the wonton wrapper. Sixth step: wrap the ground pork mixture with wonton wrapper. Watch the video for more information. Slightly wet the borders of the wonton wrapper with water. Fold the wonton wrapper to secure the filling. The lower left end should meet the upper right end, forming a triangle. Press the edges to make it intact and to avoid possibilities of opening. Slightly wet the 3 pointed sides of the wonton wrapper, then fold each of them towards the middle, as if you are trying to connect the pointed end to an imaginary dot in the center of the wrapper. Seventh step: continue doing this procedure until all the ground pork mixture is wrapped. 8th step: Remove the chicken from the boiling water and let it cool down. Set chicken stock, water used for boiling, aside. 9th step. Once the chicken reaches room temperature, manually separate the meat from the bones, then chop the separated meat to your desired size. Set aside. 10th step. Heat a clean casserole, then pour in the cooking oil. 11th step. Sauté the garlic and onions, then add the chopped chicken and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. 12th step. Add the fish sauce, annatto water, water from the soaked annatto seeds, and chicken stock, then bring to a boil. 13th step. Pour in additional water, then bring to a boil once more. 14th step. Add the shrimps, then cook for a minute. 15th step. Add the wrapped ground pork mixture and cook for 12 to 18 minutes, use low heat. 16th step. Put in some minced green onions and toasted garlic as desired. 17th and last step. Transfer to a serving bowl and serve while hot. Share and enjoy. If you have any comments or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. For more food review, visit our site at www.ophirph.com. Don't forget to click the notification bell.